Good morning. We'll start session 6 on chapter surface area and volume. So, about surface area, we have completed cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, hemisphere and sphere. We'll start with the volume now. That means again from the beginning, cube and cuboid will cover in the exercise. The exercise, a matchbox measures 4 centimeter. Now, how do you identify? Sometimes directly volume is given. That is how you come to know it's a volume, or sometimes they ask what is the space occupied. So volume is nothing but the space occupied by the given container. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. So definitely you get to know that it is a cuboid. Right? What is the volume of the packet? Containing 12 such boxes. So first what we will find here is length is equal to 4 centimeter, breadth is equal to 2.5 centimeter and height is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Everything is in terms of centimeter, children. Find volume. That will be the volume of one container. This is a homework actually. I am not solving it, only I am telling you. So, find the volume of the packet containing 12 such boxes. So, volume of the packet containing 12 such boxes is the answer into 12. That will be the answer. Answer will always be in cubic units, right? First one is for homework. Since it is a very simple, you have to only substitute it. Second one, a cuboidal tank. A cuboidal tank is 6 meter long. So, it is a cuboid again. First one is homework. A cuboidal tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water it can hold? Simple. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. 6 into 5 into 4.5. 6 5s are 30, 30 into 45, that is 4.5 is 135 meter cube volume. Now here they have given in terms of, we have to get the answer in terms of liters. Convert meter cube in terms of liters. Conversion is given here. What is that conversion? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. This conversion will not be given in the exam, in the question paper. You should remember this conversion. But how do you know you have to convert? They have to ask you how much of water it can hold in liters. At that point of time you have to convert in terms of liters. Otherwise keep it in meter cube only. So therefore volume is equal to 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 135 meter cube is equal to how many liters? So this is 135 into 1000. So 135 followed by 3 zeros liters. Answer. Okay, that is how we are going to write it. Next one. A cuboidal vessel. A cuboidal vessel, this also only the given part I will write, remaining you have to do it, is 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. How much height, how high it must be, that is height you have to calculate. If it can hold, volume is given, 380 centimeter cube of water. Can you find it? Substitution method, simple. Okay. So third one is for homework, children. Fourth one. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit of length 8 meter, breadth 6 meter and deep. Deep is always the height 3 meter. At the rate of rupees 30 per meter square. First find the volume. Answer you get. For 1 meter square it is, these are all basic sums. For 1 meter square the cost is rupees 30. For volume answer how much it is? Multiply the volume answer into 30. direct questions. You can expect these type of questions for 1 mark, not more than that. Fourth one as well I have marked for homework. Next, fifth one, the capacity of a cuboidal tank is 5000 liters of water. It is in terms of liters. We'll do it here. So, fifth one, volume is given as not 5000, 50,000. 50,000 liters of water. And the rest whole thing is given in terms of meter, right? So what initially we will do it is here, we'll immediately convert this in terms of liters. That is equal to, volume is equal to 50 meter cube. Because the question, other parts are in terms of meters. So even volume should be in terms of meter cube only. Okay. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50 meter cube. The breadth of the tank is, find the breadth of the tank if the length and the depth are, if the length is 2.5 meter and the depth is 10 meter respectively. Direct one, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. 50 is equal to 2.5 into breadth into 10. So 50 divided by 2.5 into 10 is equal to B. So decimal if you multiply, this is 50 divided by 25 is equal to B. So breadth is equal to 2 meter. Simple one, right? Next one. Yeah. Now comes like 6, 7, 8, not application type I can say, but important type of questions in volume part here. A village having a population of 4,000, 4,000 is a population, requires 150 liters of water per day. It has a tank measuring 20 by 15 by 6 meter. For how many days will the water in this tank last? That is what we have to find. So, first of all, let us write the given here. Population in the village, total population of village is what? 4,000. Next, what they have given? Requirement of water per head per day is equal to, how much it is given? Require 150 liters. Okay, let that be liters only, later we'll convert it. So, requirement of water per head per day is 150 liter. Same thing, requirement of water for 4,000 people. 150 into 4,000. For 15 foci is 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, liters. Let us convert this in terms of meter cube now. So that will be 3 zeros, 600 meter cube. Requirement of water for 4,000 people, it would be 600 meter cube. That is nothing but 6 lakh liters. We converted liters in terms of meter cube here because whole question is in terms of meters. Understand the conversion what I have done till here. Okay. Now let's see the next one what they have given. Let us now understand first the tank capacity. How much the tank can hold? Tank capacity. So tank is cuboidal. So what is the tank capacity according to them given over here is, so it is length is equal to 20 meter, breadth is equal to 15 meter, height is equal to 6 meter. Okay, so volume of water or volume of tank I can write here. Length into breadth into height, that is 20 into 15 into 6, which I will get it as 1800 meter cube. Volume is 1800 meter cube here. Very clear? Do it one below the other, still the sum continues. Now, last part. Number of days the water will last in the tank is equal to what? Capacity of the tank divided by requirement of the water by 4000 people. Correct, right? Capacity of the tank what is capacity of the tank? Volume divided by requirement of water for 4000 people. 1800 divided by 600. So water will last for 3 days. Okay, you can also check this as per your time capacity, what you have, number of people in your house, just an activity type of thing. The water will last for 3 days. We'll go with the next one now. Actually the things are very simple, but you should know initially what you have to calculate and how you have to convert it. Do this below here. Since I have no space, I have done it this side. Seventh one, a go down measures, this is the measurement, that means a go down room is a cuboidal shape. So a go down measures, so go down I will write here, whose length is 40 meter, breadth is 25 meter and height is 15 meter. Has maximum number of wooden crates. These are measuring of length 1.5 meter, breadth 1.25 meter and height 0.5 meter. How many such wooden crate can I store? Suppose if I have a room, I should know the wooden crate dimension is given. Can I store exactly 10, 20, 40, 50, 100? How many? For that I should know the volume of the go down first into volume of the wooden crates. One wooden crate into number of wooden crates, how much I can fill, I will come to know. So volume of go down is equal to N into volume of wooden crates. So length into breadth into height is equal to N of, don't cancel length into breadth into height, both are different. So what is length into breadth into height if I go down? 40 into 25 into 15, N into, shall I write this as 15 by 10 into 125 by 100 into 5 by 10. So cross multiply this, keeping this N here only. So what will you get? 40 into 25 into 15 into 10 into 100 into 10 divided by 15 into 125 into 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are 3 ones are 3 fives are, then 5 ones are 5 8s are 40. 25 1s are 25 5s are. Then 5 1s are 5 2s are. 8 2s are 16 into 100 into 10. So N is equal to 16,000 crates. How many crates of the volume of this what you can fill? You can fill 16,000 crates in that godown, so that the godown will be filled with the wooden crates. This is how you can calculate. Your calculation becomes much simple if you have in terms of tens. Otherwise decimal will come, you can go ahead. It's up to you. Next one. Eighth one, a solid cube of side 12 centimeter. So it is a cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. So is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume means volume of. So this is the original cube. Volume of original cube, that is nothing but sine cube. Let the side of the cube be A, what we consider A cube we can take. So that is nothing but 12 cube. So 12 cube is nothing but 1728 centimeter cube. Keep this as it is. This is volume of the original cube. Now what they have given here is given it is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. Therefore 1728 divided by 8. So 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8. So that is nothing but centimeter cube. Volume of, therefore, volume of each new cube is 216 centimeter cube. Okay. What is the side? Therefore, side, that is edge of new cube, that is equal to, we have to find out. So how do you find here? A cube is equal to 216. A is equal to cube root of 216. A is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is edge side of new cube. Is this very clear? Now next what they have asked here, I'll do it here. Find the ratio between their surfaces. Ratio between their surfaces. So their surfaces means what we talk about is volume or side of or ratio between their surfaces. TSA of original cube, ratio between their surfaces, that is total surface. TSA of original cube divided by TSA of new cube. So this is 6a square divided by 6a square. Afterwards we'll cancel. So 6a square what we have here of this, if you want you can mention this a and capital A, you can differentiate it, it's up to you. So this is 12 square divided by 6 into 6 square, cancel. 12 into 12 divided by 6 into 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 ones are 6 twos are. So ratio is 4:1. Clear? And the last one. A river 3 meter deep, 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. So a river which is 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing, that is length of the river is 2 km per hour. Convert this in terms of meters per second especially you tell, but here in this volume part, see in physics always we keep kilometer per hour or meters per second. Here we always consider that in terms of minutes. You can keep in terms of meters per minutes also. That is valid here. So this is 2 into 1000. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So this is meters per minutes. In terms of this I have converted. Okay. So this is 2 ones are 2 3s are 0 and 0 will get cancelled, or we keep it as it is. Later we will do the calculation part. Finally we have it there, right? There we can do it. So this is 2 into 1000 divided by 60. 2000 by 60 meters. We just write it here. What we have to find? How much water will fall into the sea? Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is 2000 by 60 into breadth is 40 into 3. 0 and 0, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 twos are 4. 4000 meter cube is the answer. Very simple sum. Only thing is you should know the conversion part here. So with this we complete the exercise. We complete the volume part of cube and cuboid, and next session would be volume of cylinder. Thank you.